Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I am putting the Realme 90x to the test, battery drain test. And if you already seen my unboxing video and the charging speed test, and many of you commented asking how long does the battery actually last. So I have done battery drain test on many other model before, so I have a high benchmark for this one. We are starting at 100% charge. I have set even the brightness to 80% and 90 Hz refresh rate is forced on, and I have even connected the Wi-Fi. As you can see, I just play the YouTube videos, and no power saving modes, no shortcuts. So let's see how many hours of screen on time we can actually get. First, I just starting by just playing the YouTube, and I will be running high definition videos for 2 hours straight. Usually Realme optimization is great for media playback, but because of this vibrant display, the battery has to work harder. As you can see, it's been an some hour and we are here done. Actually, I have not shown the battery right now. After 2 hours or 3 hours, I will show the battery drained, till which percentage it would be. And after I play the YouTube, I will also play the camera. I will just turn on the camera and even record the video under the 1080p, like for 20 minutes or for 1 hour or for 2 hours. And you can check my videos. I even play the games under this mobile phone, and if you are interested on different mobile phones, then you can check on like Realme, Poco, Redmi, and many different types of phones that you are using. So you can comment me on the comment section which mobile phone should I make. And you know guys, sometimes you used to comment me to make on different types of mobile phones, but I could not create since my budget is low, so I cannot afford. If I afford it, then I will make the video that you are demanding. And now it's almost the 2 o'clock, so you can count the time from the screen, from which time we have been started and till which time. You can check until end of the video till which. And friends, that I also even make the unboxing video. If you want to know about its specification and feature of Realme Narzo 90x, then you can check on my channel. But I would like to tell you about its specification. It's if you look at its RAM and storage, it's the 18 GB with dynamic RAM expansion. It's LPDDR4X, and the storage is 128 GB eMMC 0.51, expandable up to 2 TB via micro SD. And if we look at its durability and build quality, it's IP64 dust and water resistant. It's armor shell protection, and its camera is the 50 megapixel Sony main camera, and the front camera is the 8 megapixel selfie camera. I also even checked the temperature. As you can see on the screen, it's not warm. When I touch the phone, it's not warm, but when I check the temperature, it's high. It's almost about the 100, and here the battery is the 59%. And if we look at the processor, it's the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm octa-core 5G chip, and its battery is the 7000 Titan battery, huge highlight. Its charging is the 60-watt fast charging, 50% in 31 minutes. And if I'll do the charging test, you can check on my channel till which time it charge or not. It says under the 31 minutes it will charge the 50%. So let's check it out. And its processor, I have already told. Its display is this 6.8-inch HD plus LCD, 144Hz refresh rate, 1200 nits peak brightness, and its OS is Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0. Its audio, as I will even test this sound test on this mobile phone or in different types of mobile phones. Its stereo speaker with 400% ultra volume boost, and its weight is 212 grams, slightly heavy due to the 7000 mAh battery. So this is all about the specifications of Realme Narzo 90x, and here the battery percentage is 12% under this 6 o'clock. And I would like to talk about the battery. It's much larger than the standard 5000 mAh in most phones that we found in almost phones, in most phones. And this is why your drain test will be longer. Our drain test, it's longer since it's from 12 to 6. It's now 6 o'clock 30 minutes and it's 9%. And friends, I would like to tell that do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, since it's really difficult to make this type of videos, but I love to create it. It's not that hard. It's just we have to give time of half hour of time to the video to make it, and after making it, and then we have to edit it, then we have to check its specifications and even check the battery again and again if the screen is off. So that's it's the difficult. And now it's the 3%. It's almost under the 7 o'clock. It may be dead. No, it's not dead. Then maybe it's 2%, maybe under the 7:15 or 7:20. Let's check it out. It's 1% under this 7:04 minutes. It's dead. 7:10 minutes. No, it's not died. I just altered the screen. It was off. So it's now 10%. So friends, here under the 7 o'clock 11 minutes the phone died. So as you can see, I have just started this extreme battery drain test at 11:50 p.m. at night, and after the non-stop YouTube and social media, the phone finally died at the 11:12 a.m. So this brings our total screen on time to 7 hours and 20 minutes. This is the total screen time. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.